Hi there! Today, we're setting up Vocabulary Builder on a NovaChat device using the WordPower vocabulary. Vocabulary Builder helps AAC communicators who are learning words focus on a small set of words that are relevant to their immediate interest while keeping the location of those words consistent. Before you get started, first make sure the vocabulary file is duplicated. Use the link above to learn how to make a copy. You'll need to do that before using Vocabulary Builder. Okay, now, here's how to get started. From the vocabulary screen, select Menu, then choose Vocabulary Builder. In the top right corner, choose the toggle to turn Vocabulary Builder on. Under Enabled Words, type a word you want to include. Select Search on the keyboard. You'll see a list of places that word shows up in the vocabulary. Choose Select All. Then choose OK. Repeat these steps to add more words. For this tutorial, we've added put, in, on, my, turn, your, all, and done. A few tips. If the word isn't in the vocabulary, it won't be listed. To remove an individual word, select the delete symbol next to it. If you're planning to create multiple lists for different activities or communicators, you can select Save List and give your list a name and it'll be ready to use again later. If you're just creating a single list for now, you can skip the save step. When you're done, to return to your home page, depending on which device you have, choose the back button on the right side of the screen or swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Now, only the words you selected are visible. Everything else is hidden.
My turn. Put in. Your turn.
To go back to the full vocabulary, just return to Vocabulary Builder and turn it off. Your list will be ready for next time. If this was helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more AAC tips. See you next time.